Dear candidates, we are glad to see you in Высшая школа бизнесу National Louis University. Now I will show you how to apply to our university. First of all, you need to choose the field of study and prepare the required documents.
Click on the bottom Join Us and the system will forward you to the page where you can create an account. Click Sign Up, enter your name, surname, and email. Create your password and repeat the password. Then click Create an account. Welcome to the recruitment platform. On the main page you can find the instructions for the standard recruitment process or for the recruitment process with transfer of grades. Step 1. Click My Data tab and fill out your personal data. Also add your photo and then click Next. Enter your address of residence and address of correspondence. Click on the checkbox if it's the same address. Provide the additional information and move on to the next step. Now add information about the education. Then determine the languages you are proficient in. Click Next. After that, read the policy for the processing your personal data. Before saving the data, please verify the data specified in the form and then click Save. Step 2. Choose the field, form, type, and language of study. Click Apply. In order to apply for the study, you need to fulfill the following steps. Confirm 5 steps and submit the form. Wait a few minutes and move to the Documents Required tab. Download the application, sign, scan, and add file. Please remember, if the selected document contains several pages, it should be in one file. Upload all required documents. And click Finish. You will receive a response with the result of your application up to the 7 working days.
If you will have any question, please call or write an email.